write the following sentences: the upcoming 2024 Lexus TX SUV will replace the previous generation RXL 3-row SUV in the Lexus lineup, and is expected to be reinforced by the Toyota Grand Highlander. While the RXL has been criticized for a lack of rear seat space, the TX is expected to offer plenty of room for adults to sit comfortably in the back. As the Lexus brand is known for its luxury features, it was expected that the new TX would be equipped with luxury amenities to justify the use of the Lexus badge. So far, however, the brand has been relatively quiet about its specifications. After doing some research, we found that the TX will likely come with two powertrain options, the TX 350 and the TX 500h, both of which have been trademarked by the company. The TX 350 will likely feature a traditional petrol-powered V6 engine, while the TX 500h will likely boast a hybrid powertrain similar to the 367 horsepower system found in the Turo RX. It is possible that the TX will have more variants in the future, but as of now, these are the only two models we know about. Ahead of the release date, we're hoping to learn more about the new TX, and Lexus will likely provide a full reveal before the end of 2023. Once the SUV is available for purchase in early 2024, it will officially be the newest addition to Lexus. New family and nameplate for the brand.